Hello kids! This week we will learn how to add and subtract fractions and mix fractions with and without regrouping. Before we proceed, let's have some drills or review on how to simplify fractions or how do we get the lowest terms. How are we going to simplify these fractions? Alright, find first the GCF or greatest common factor of both numerator and denominator. So kapag nakuha na po natin ang GCF, i-divide natin sa numerator at denominator. Number 1, 2/4. What is the GCF of 2 and 4? Okay, 2. So divide 2 by 2. The answer is 1. And 4 divided by 2. Okay, 2. So the answer is 1/2. Number 2, 10/15. So what is the GCF of 10 and 15? Okay, 5. So divide 10 by 5, then 15 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Number 3, 3/3. As we all know that if the numerator and denominator are the same, it is equal to 1. So 3/3 is equal to 1. Number 4, 14/10. So since this is improper fraction, we are going to convert this into mixed number. So by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 14 divided by 10. So the answer is 1. Then yung remainder ay gagawin po natin na numerator. So, ang remainder niya ay 4, then copy the denominator, 10. So, this is not the final answer because 4/10 can be simplified into 2/5. So, divide both by 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So your final answer or your lowest terms for 14/10 is equal to 1 and 2/5. Let us try to add or subtract the following fractions. 1/4 plus 1/4, 6/10 minus 2/10. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, ang given ay similar fractions. Pag sinabi nating similar fractions, pareho ang denominators. So, meron pong dapat tandaan sa pag-add or sa pag-subtract ng similar fractions. To add or subtract similar fractions, simply add or subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. Express your answer in lowest terms. So, sa number 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then copy the denominator, 4, then simplify your answer by dividing the numerator and denominator by the GCF, 2. Number 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, then copy the denominator, 10, or 2/5. Another example, 5 and 7/12 plus 9 and 3/12. Since ang given sa number 3 ay mixed numbers, meron pong involved na whole number, ang i-add po natin ay fraction to fraction, then whole number by whole number. So since similar fractions, i-add po natin yung numerator by numerator. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then copy the denominator 12. Then i-add din po natin yung kanyang whole numbers. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Then check po natin kung ang sagot mo ay final answer na or nasa lowest terms na siya. So since na hindi pa, mag-iisip po tayo ng GCF ng numerator at denominator, which is 10 and 12. So ang GCF niya ay 2, so divide 10 by 2. Ang sagot po ay 5, then 12 divided by 2. Answer po ay 6. So copy yung whole number na 14. So final answer ay 14 and 5, 6. Number 4. 10 minus 5 and 2, 8. Sa number 4, kung mapapansin nyo, ang minuend ay whole number 10. So, paano po natin yun isusubtract? So, kailangan natin mag-regroup or manghiram. So, another term for regrouping is borrowing. So, mapapansin nyo, yung 10 ay naginalang na 9. So, anong ginawa po natin sa whole number 1? So, ginawa po natin siyang fraction na kapareho ng denominator ng subtrahend, which is 8. So, di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, kapag ang numerator and denominator ay pareho, equivalent po siya sa 1. So, di ba? 8 over 8 is equal to 1. So, kapag dinagdag natin siya sa 9, 10 pa rin siya. Hindi po nabago yung value niya. So, niregroup lang po natin siya. So, 9 and 8 over 8 minus 5 and 2 over 8. So, pwede na po tayong mag-subtract. So, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then, copy the denominator 8. Then, isusubtract din po natin yung whole numbers. So, 9 minus 5, the answer is 4. Then, 6 over 8, pwede pa po siyang i-lowest terms. So, 6 and 8, ang GCF niya ay 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then, 8 divided by 2. So, the answer is 4. So, your final answer is 4 and 3/4. Next example. 3 and 2/3 plus 3/4. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang given ay dissimilar fractions. Pag sinabi natin dissimilar fractions, hindi pareho ang kanyang denominator. Okay, narito yung steps in adding and subtracting dissimilar fractions and mixed numbers. First, convert dissimilar fractions into similar fractions. Number 2, in converting dissimilar fractions to similar fractions, we need to get the LCD or the least common denominator. Number 3, add or subtract the whole numbers and fractional parts. Number 4, simplify whenever possible. So, kailangan nating convert ang dissimilar fraction sa similar fraction. So, kailangan hanapin natin ang LCD. So, dito natin magagamit yung pinag-aralan natin tungkol sa paghanap ng LCM or least common multiple. So, ano ang LCM ng 3 and 4? So, yes, 12. So, 12. So, paano naging equivalent fraction niya ay 8 over 12. Saka yung 3/4 naging naman siyang 9 over 12. So, after finding the LCD, divide po natin yung 12 by 3. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 times 2. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 8 over 12. Then, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times numerator na 3. Ang sagot po ay 9. Kaya meron po tayo ditong 9 over 12. So, since pareho na ang kanyang denominator, pwede na tayong mag-add. So, add po natin 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Then, copy the denominator, 12. Then, ibaba natin yung whole number, 3. So, 3 and 17 over 12. Since na ang final answer, ang fractional part niya ay naka-improper fraction, ano ang gagawin natin dyan? Okay, so i-divide po natin yung numerator by the denominator. So, since na 17 divided by 12 is equal to 1, meron po siyang remainder na 5. Tama? So, anong gagawin natin dun sa whole number 1? Since na meron na siyang whole number 3, i-add po natin yung whole number 1 sa 3. So, ang whole number 3 ay magiging na siyang 4. So, yung 5, copy the remainder 5, then copy the denominator, 12. So, your final answer is 4 and 5, 12. Okay, next example, 15 and 1 over 5 minus 6 and 2/3. Again, the similar fractions. So, kailangan natin gawin siyang similar fractions by finding the LCD. So, ano ang LCD ng 5 and 3? Okay, correct. 15. So, 15. So, gagawin natin siyang equivalent fraction. So, ano yung ginawa natin kanina? So, 15, di-divide natin siya sa 5. So, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. So, kokopyahin natin siya dyan sa taas. So, numerator niya ay 3. So, kopyahin natin yung whole number 15. Then, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 times 2, okay, 10. So, meron tayo ngayon ng 6 and 10 over 15. Pwede na ba tayong mag-subtract? No. Bakit? Kasi, ang minuend niya sa ang nasa taas ay 3, wala po tayong makukuhang 10 sa 3. So, mas mataas yung subtrahend kaysa sa minuend. So, ang gagawin natin ay magre-regroup tayo or magbaborrow. Saan tayo manghihiram? Okay, of course, dun sa whole number 15. So, kapag nanghiram tayo sa 15, anong mangyayari sa 15? So, yung 1 ay gagawin natin fraction, tapos magiging na lang siyang 14. So yung fraction na gagawin natin ay 15 over 15 kasi yun ang kanyang denominator. So, i-add po natin siya dun sa 3 over 15. So, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Then, copy the denominator, 15. So, ang bago mo na ngayong minuend ay 14 and 18 over 15. So, kopyahin natin yung subtrahend. So, minus 6 and 10 over 15. So, pwede na ba tayong mag-subtract? Okay, pwede na po. So, 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. Then, copy the denominator, 15. Then, yung whole number, 14 minus 6, the answer is 8. Okay, evaluate po natin. Ang 8 over 15 ba, pwede pang i-simplify or mayroon pa siyang GCF na pwedeng i-divide? Okay, so wala na. So, yan na po ang ating final answer.